I seen dead people in front of my eyes, searching for a high that couldn't provide. A lifetime of a lifetime, now who am I to tell you what to do and not do? Well, I'm just a guy. I'm only 16, but I seen things that no one should see. Body laid out pale, dead from an OD. Willing to die for something that's gonna be temporary. Searching for a high that's gonna be unnecessary. Soon as it's over and you forget what happened, 10 minutes of being sober and then you right back at it. You say you're not an addict, they say I should stick to rapping, but I seen too many people die and I finally had it. I'm tired of seeing people I love getting caught up on drugs, not knowing when to say enough is enough. I'm tired of all the pain, I'm tired of all the sorrow. I'm tired of not knowing if I'll see people tomorrow or they'll be gone because they want to live reckless, thinking that the drugs are gonna make them be stressless. But when the high is over, life becomes real again. The feelings that they had before, they're gonna start to feel again. So they popping on them pills again.